guys, so today I wanted to show you all my new BlendJet that came in the mail. As you all know, I have been using the yellow one, and of course I still love my yellow BlendJet, but I just wanted to order another color due to the fact that I do be making a lot of videos of the BlendJet, and I just want to change it up a little and just show you guys the different colors that they do have. I'm not saying that I will have each and every color, but I just want to show you what color I got, because you guys, this is like my favorite color. I love mint, and you guys, this is just my tablecloth that you see in the background, but please excuse that. But anyway, back to the BlendJet. This is my favorite color. I love mint, I love teal. So I'm going to open it and show you guys how it looks outside of the package, and then I'm going to make a green smoothie and show you guys how it looks and how it works, just like the yellow one, of course. So you guys, I'm going to start by opening my new BlendJet. And when you pull it out, of course you have your USB-C cord to charge it with, and you pull it out and it comes in bubble wrapping. Just take that off, and then you have your I think there's some instructions on the inside. Yes, instructions on the inside of how to use your BlendJet. And also in the inside of the box is also a little pamphlet that tells you all about your BlendJet. And it also talks about the jet packs. So it gives you, just some idea, well, not idea, but just some information on your BlendJet, what you purchase and the capabilities of it. It's also on the box as well. You see on the box, it has, it tells you like the top. It just kind of tell you what's on, or what is the BlendJet too. But as you guys see, this beautiful, beautiful color, OMG, I love the color of it. It's so beautiful. Mint green, like I really, really love this color, you guys. And like I said before, BlendJet has so many colors. I think it's like 16 colors that they do have, and very beautiful colors, you guys. So yes, I love this color. And first of all, I want to say too, because I have been getting questions, whenever you get your BlendJet, be sure to clean it thoroughly before use. Don't just open it and start to use it. I suggest that you clean your BlendJet thoroughly. I do have a video as well in the cards of how you can clean your BlendJet thoroughly. Clean it thoroughly before your first use. And also, sometimes they do come charged, some. And you can also just get you an adapter, which I'm pretty sure everyone has one if you charge your cell phone or have a cell phone. You want to charge it, get it to full charge, and then blend and make whatever you want to make. So you guys, let's get started with my smoothie. So you guys, to start my smoothie, I'm just going to pour in some bottled water, and I'm going to show you all what kind of smoothie that I picked up from the grocery store today. I picked up this from the grocery store today. This is, what is it, Fit and Wellness, and they come in pre-cut fruit and vegetable packages. It is 4 of these in a bag, and it makes up to 16 ounces of your smoothie. Now the one I picked up today is with spinach, mango, apples, and pineapple. It doesn't have banana in it, which I really like to use banana in my smoothies, but I'm going to give this a try since I never tried this actual kind before. I've tasted this brand before, and I think I got a video on it as well of me using Fit and Wellness, but I am going to be using one of these packs today to make my smoothie, and it comes in individual packs like this, and like I said, it has 4 inside of them. So yeah, it comes in a pack like this, and you're just going to most likely pour the whole thing into your BlendJet, but we'll see. It may have a little left over that that I could put with another or something, but I'm not sure if the whole thing will fit in there, so we're just gonna give it a try. All right, so first I'm going to pour in some water. I'm going to pour in about, I want to do 8 ounces right now. And you guys, on the back, you will see the ounces back here, and it goes up to 16 ounces. I'm going to open my package. Let me get a knife. Okay, now that I have it open, I'm just going to pour it inside. Put in as much as I can without having it too full. Okay, put the top on, twist it on. Now this is the time also if you want to add chia seeds, if you want to add flax seeds, if you want to add any MCT oil, which I'm going to actually add in my MCT oil. Need to get it. So you guys, this is the MCT oil that I use. If you do not know what MCT oil is, it is actually like coconut oil, but it's like the heart of the coconut. It's really good for brain health, and I really like to put these in my smoothies. I also like to put it in my coffee as well. I like to put it in my coffee and blend it, make me feel like I have like a fancy latte or whatever. But anyway, this is the brand that I like to use, and the serving is 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of MCT oil in here. Pour that in there. All right, and just give this a blend. Wipe my hands off. Now that I have that, now I'm just going to press the button. Okay, that is 1 cycle. I'm probably going to do about 3 cycles. As you see, it did not get all of it at the top. So what I'm going to do is turn it upside down, shake it some, and then do another cycle. Okay, all right, and you know, you guys, I think I'm going to put a little more water inside. A little thick. Blend that up. All right, I'm going to do 1 more cycle. That cycle is done, and like I said before in my previous videos, you can drink from this or you can pour it into a glass. Right now I'm going to pour it into a glass, so let me get my glass. Be right back. Okay, now that I have my glass, I'm going to pour my smoothie inside of here. Get a straw. Let's give it a taste. Alrighty, and that's my smoothie. It tastes pretty good. I would rather put banana in it though, because like I said, I love bananas in my smoothies, but this is very refreshing and you know, very thick and creamy. I like mine thick, and yeah, this is really good. So you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you haven't already purchased your own BlendJet 2, please look down in the description box. I will put a link there where you can get 12% off of your order. Be sure to click on that link to get your 12% off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.